Effective weight loss tips. Hello and welcome to our program on weight loss. Today, we will be discussing some tips and tricks that can help you lose weight effectively and sustainably. Before we begin, it's important to note that losing weight is not just about looking good but also about improving your health and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. So, let's get started. Tip number 1: eat a healthy diet. The first and most important step to losing weight is to eat a healthy and balanced diet. This means consuming whole, nutrient-dense foods such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Avoid processed and junk food as much as possible as they are high in calories, unhealthy fats, and sugar. Tip number 2: drink plenty of water. Drinking water is essential for weight loss as it helps to flush out toxins and keep you hydrated. It also helps to reduce hunger and increase feelings of fullness, which can lead to consuming fewer calories overall. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day. Tip number 3: exercise regularly. In addition to eating a healthy diet, regular exercise is crucial for weight loss. Aim to exercise for at least 30 minutes a day, 5 days a week. You can engage in any form of physical activity such as walking, jogging, cycling, or swimming. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to exercise.